friends, welcome to Yusuf Talks Tech Show. So today, we are going to make a project on that there is a boy called Jeshan and he lives in a jungle and he wants to learn odd numbers. So we have to make an app for him that can teach him odd numbers. So in my app, there should be 3 sprites. And the sprites are a space bird, a princess, and a soccer girl. And in the beginning, Jeshan says that, "Will you help me learn odd numbers? If yes, please click on me." Then, when we will click on him, then the background should change to hardcode and the princess should say that, "Yes, we will help you learn odd numbers." So, when the princess says, then the spaceboard, the princess, and the soccer girl should say odd numbers from 0 to 1 to 101. So, for this we have to use for loop. So, some blocks are already arranged. Now we will take the rest of the blocks that are events, then when actor 1 clicks, he is actor 4. When actor 4 clicks, then actions, set background cave, then actions, wait for 1 second and then wait for 2 seconds and then actions, actor. So first we will make the actors. So we will take set actor 1, set actor 3 times we will take it. We will place this one here, this one at the set actor 2, this set actor 3. Set actor 1 should be a space bot. Actor 2 a princess. Actor 3 a soccer girl. So now we will change their positions. So we want that 22, the Jeshan should be here, 22, 356. 22, 356. 356. When we click on, now they are here. Then we want the space bar to be at the bottom. Actions. Then we will take move actor 1, 200 over, 200 down. Yes, this is correct. And then we want actor 2. Actor 2 is a princess. And the princess should be here at 30, 35. So, 30, 35. 30 and 35. 35. Now this is here. Soccer goal should be here. 376, 374. 376, 374. Chapter 3. 376, 374. Now they all are in order. Then wait 1 second. Actor 2 say that, "Yes, we will help you learn odd numbers." Now this is done. Now we'll go to actions and then we'll take wait for 3 seconds. Then we'll take loops for counter from. Now in the first value we'll put 1 and here 101. then count by 6. And now we will go to actions. Then we'll take actor 1 say. Actor 1 say, now we will remove this one. Then we will go to math, then take this one, and now we will go to loops. Counter will place here. Counter plus 0 we will take here. Actor 1 say, then go to actions, then you will take this actor 2 say, math, then this. Now we'll go to loops, counter, place it here, plus 2. Actions, then we'll go to actor 3 says, remove this one, loops, counter, math, place this one, remove this, counter here, right here 4. Now let's see if the code is working. Let's see if they are speaking odd numbers. Yes, they are speaking. They are speaking all the odd numbers. Then we will place one more block. Then we'll take wait for 1 second, actions. Then we will take actor 4 say, thank you for teaching me odd numbers first. So friends, if you like my video, please like it and please comment and share and please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon near the subscribe button. So thank you.